It has never been easier to start making money online dropshipping as a beginner, but thousands of beginners actually give up before they make any progress at all. The main reason is because they think they need a ton of money to get started, when that's just not true. When I started back in 2018, there was no TikTok, there was really no organic traffic. But nowadays, that's kind of taking over, and not only is it a lot cheaper to start, but if you're running organic traffic methods, you actually make more margin on the products that you're selling, because you don't have to pay for any of the advertising fees. So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you step by step how to start a Shopify dropshipping store for only a couple $100, if that. Now remember, when you're not flooding a business with money in the beginning, you're gonna have to put a different type of equity into it, which is sweat equity. So yes, it's gonna be cheaper to start this store, but you're actually gonna spend a lot more time running the store. But if you're tight on a budget, this is perfect for you. And I've actually done this method myself to test it to see if it works. And within just a couple weeks, I made around $3,000 profit. With that intro being done, let's get right into the video. First things first though, if you wanna start a Shopify store and you don't wanna pay that $29 a month fee, because obviously in this video, we're on a budget. So if you wanna get Shopify for just $1 a month for the first 3 months, I have a special discount code. I'll link it down below. It's gonna save you over $100 over 3 months. All right, step one, before we get further into the video, we need to actually figure out what product that we want to sell. You cannot build a website, you can't start making ad creatives or anything until you figure out what you want to sell, so this is how you're going to do it. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to be focusing on TikTok organic only. So TikTok kind of runs and plays differently than Instagram or Facebook. There's a different demographic of audience there. They're typically younger, shorter attention spans. Therefore, the products that you see on TikTok that are doing well are just a little bit different than Facebook and Instagram. Take a look at this example of a good winning Facebook product right now. They've been running this ad for quite a while. It's 17 minutes and 27 seconds. It's about knee pain, and it's pretty much just a giant VSL of selling you this product that's gonna help your knee pain while you're sleeping or walking or whatever, right? This product is obviously targeted towards older people or people with injuries. Something like this just would not do that well on TikTok. The audience is just not there. They don't have the attention span to watch a 17-minute video. Now let's take a look at a good example of a product for TikTok. So this one has 266,000 likes on it. I've actually talked about this product before. It's a real great problem-solving product. It's pretty engaging. Overall, just a great product to sell, especially around the holidays. What this product is, you just stick your nails in and it removes the gel from your nails. I know it's a pain to remove gel nails, so this makes it a lot easier. It's done in minutes. It was a 22-second video, okay? It's got 266,000 likes, like I said. Top comments are, oh, I need this. How do I get this? Does it steam gel X? How do I put my toes in? So overall, people are really interested in this product. It's a great one to sell on TikTok. This is a great example of how easy it is to find these types of products and actually make ads for them. Now, here's how I like to do product research. I like to use Menea. It's my favorite product research tool. If you've been watching my channel, I've been talking about them for years now. I use them for literally everything in terms of product research. And what's great about Menea is that they've got top 10 products of the day. So if we're focusing on TikTok here, we can literally click on TikTok and there's 10 new products every single day shown to you. Shows you the ad, how much engagement it has, the website that's actually selling the product, and how to find it on AliExpress or a different supplier. What I want to mention while we're looking for a product here is the more marketing angles that you can come up with a product, the higher chance of that product having success. And the reason behind that is if you can market it to different demographics, different audiences, different styles, the more you have, the more chances that you have at success, because it might resonate with a certain audience more than another one. You're basically just throwing stuff at a wall until something sticks. So the more marketing angles, the better. Keep that in mind. So I like to sell in the beauty and cosmetics tools niche. So I found this Solo Wave. I've talked about it before. It's a great red light therapy type of product. It has a lot of different marketing angles that you could use for wrinkles, aging, acne. There's so many different use cases for it. So it's gonna hit a bunch of different audiences. And again, on Menea, I've got everything that I need, right? You just click on one of the ads that you saw or the product that you found on here. You can click onto the page here. It shows you what they're selling it for, how much engagement they have, all of the ads that they're running on every platform. So you can use it for inspiration. If you want to actually see the product, you just click on see product and it'll take you to their website and the landing page, so you can use it for inspiration again. You can also click find suppliers on AliExpress, where it'll actually take you to suppliers that sell this product, which we're going to cover later on in the video. And if you don't know what product or niche you're looking for, just go in the product section of Menea, click is dropshipping, hit apply here. And then there's a bunch of other top filters here about like winning products, established products, ones that have been running for a long time. Basically, Menea just makes product research so much easier. If you want to try out Menea, then I'll have a link link down below in the description as well. Another thing to keep in mind when we're looking for this product specifically for TikTok is the engagement factor. Can I make a video of this product? Is it going to be engaging? Can I come up with ideas that are actually going to attract people's attention and make them watch it longer than 5 seconds? Is there a community on TikTok around these products? Like golf has a great community. Basically, can you inject yourself into this community on TikTok and extract value from it by selling them products? So now that we found our product, we actually need to move on to step 2, which is building out our website and sourcing our supplier. Like the step before, you can't really move on until you've got your website built and you have your supplier locked down, because if you sell products and you don't have a supplier, how are you going to ship out the product? Now, when building out your Shopify store, you do want to make it pretty converting, pretty modern. You don't want it to look scammy. You don't have any timers that are like 10 seconds left to get this deal. It just doesn't work in 2023 moving into 2024. You need to have a clean, minimalistic type of website that's converting and trustworthy. Now, here's a quick tip. If you're advertising on TikTok organically, something that I found really interesting to do is that TikTok is so stimulating in general, right? You're just scrolling nonstop. So when someone clicks onto your website off of TikTok, they're going from this extreme amount of stimulus to a very boring, static website. So what I find to be really helpful and interesting with conversion rates on TikTok specifically is actually having the image on your website, like a GIF or a TikTok video, as the first picture. So when they actually click onto your website off of TikTok, they're still being stimulated by this video. It's not a harsh break off. You can also embed TikToks onto your website. That helps with that as well. Just a quick tip there. Now, I'm not going to go into the full website build on how to do this. I've got videos on my channel. I just posted a full guide and it's a lot longer of a process. So make sure to come back to those videos after watching this one when you're ready for that step. Now we need to find a supplier of our product. So there's a couple different options for this. My personal favorite supplier and kind of all-in-one tool is AutoDS. On AutoDS, you can find products on here that they actually ship out from their own warehouses. So every day they're adding a lot more products, but you can see that they have really fast shipping times. Most of their products are 2 business days, which is pretty insane. Some are 6, which is all acceptable in terms of shipping. And if you cannot find the exact product that you want supplied by AutoDS, you can just add products from an AliExpress link on here. At the top left corner, it'll import it to your store and it'll also add it for fulfillment when you set up your suppliers. AutoDS also has automatic fulfillment. So you can go to your settings here, and if you make 15 sales, the next day it'll automatically fulfill all those orders for you, put the tracking back into your Shopify website, and then it'll notify the customer that your order has been shipped. You don't have to do any of that work. It saves, me like 30 minutes a day, I would say, with the amount of orders that I have. So if you can find your product on the AutoDS marketplace, you're gonna get great shipping times and good customer service. It's gonna make the whole thing a lot easier. And if you can't, we're gonna have to go on to AliExpress and find this product and then hook it back up to AutoDS. And for that, all you'd have to do is literally go onto AliExpress. You're gonna look for the product. Let's say it's a red light therapy. And we can find it right here for $16.49. And remember, SoloWave is selling it for $169. That's a 10 times markup. If you're finding your product on AliExpress and linking it back to AutoDS, what you do need to do is message some of these suppliers to make sure that they're going to get it out in a timely manner. You would say things like, hey, I am drop shipping and planning on ordering an estimated amount of these units based on demand. Hopefully it goes up from here. Are you able to drop ship this product? On top of that, what are your shipping routes and times available? And then they should come back and actually say, yes, we can do drop shipping and we've got these shipping routes available. This one's the fastest at 6 to 8 days or whatever. And it's going to cost this amount. So you want to build that trust with the supplier if you're using AliExpress. It can take some time to navigate through some of these suppliers that are not responsive, but anytime they want to message you on WhatsApp or WeChat or something like that, it's usually a good sign that they want to earn your business. Now, once you found that supplier, you're going to take the link, put it back into AutoDS, hit add products, and upload it to your store. It'll link your supplier as well, and then you are good to go. If you want to try out AutoDS free for 30 days, I'll have a link down below in the description. And I do have a full-length tutorial on suppliers, so make sure to check that video out after as well. But once you've got that in place, you've got your Shopify store ready to roll, you've got your supplier lined up, you do want to order that product to your house immediately because we're doing TikTok organic, so we're going to need to actually film content ourselves. And plus, ordering that product, you're going to see the quality, how long it actually took to ship, and what kind of packaging that it came in. So you will know everything about your product, if it's quality, and you would actually want to sell it to people. Now moving on to step 3, I guess step 2 is kind of like 2 or 3 steps, but we're moving on to step 3 now, and it's getting your TikTok account ready. Now, setting up a TikTok account is the same as setting up any other account. You just plug in your email or whatever, your business email, pick a name for it. Usually it's going to be your brand name if you're running organic traffic to your store. Your first goal in your TikTok account is to get to 100 followers, or it's 1,000. It just depends on the account, because once you get to that amount, either it's 100 or 1,000, then you can actually add a link in your bio for your store, which is going to be crucial when you're sending traffic through TikTok, so they can actually click on your link instead of typing it in, and then it'll go directly directly to your store. In the beginning, most people say, start posting your product right away, start posting ads. It's not the best way to start up your TikTok account. I will give you a great example of the product that I ran strictly on TikTok for just a couple weeks. It's Mully Mondays. And so what I did there was just post a bunch of golf videos for like 1 to 2 weeks, racking up some followers, getting some viral clips, literally just like clips of Tiger Woods hitting hole-in-one, stuff like that, right? To get into the community so TikTok knows that your account is based in golf or whatever product you're selling. And you're also starting to get some traction with these videos because they're super engaging. All I did was just copy and paste videos from other accounts on the internet that I found and just repurpose them for TikTok. Got some viral videos, got up to like almost 10,000 followers fairly quickly. You need to do this and establish yourself in the community that you're selling in before you even start advertising at all, which means commenting on other people's posts, just being engaged in the community, just showing TikTok that you're a real person, you are invested in this community and not just a random bot account trying to sell stuff, right? Because then TikTok will probably shadow ban you and it's gonna be hard to get, views and your account started to snowball. The thing is here, you wanna post on that account 3 times a day. Just do that religiously. Line up a bunch of videos if you need to. Do it for like 1.5, 2 weeks. Just prepping up this account. And during that time, you're waiting for your product to get to your house anyway. You need to film content. So there's no harm in doing this. You have to do it. But once your TikTok account is ready to roll, you've got at least a video with like 5 or 10,000 views, meaning your account is kind of established and they've recognized it as a real account. We'll be moving on to step 4, which is sprinkling in your product through advertising on this account. Now, when I did this on Mully Mondays, the first video that I posted, I think it got like 250,000 or 300,000 views for the ad because the account was already in the golf niche and it was already rolling. So for sprinkling in your product, you want a call to action. You want a really engaging video. You want it to look native and natural. You don't want it to look straight up like an ad right away. And there's a lot of different ways that you can do this. You gotta play around with trends. You gotta test things to see what's working, what's not working. Certain sounds might be doing better and make more sense with your niche. And to do this, you're gonna need to film content, which is why we ordered the product to our house, right? Take your iPhone, film a bunch of content for like 1 to 3 hours of your product in different scenarios, settings, different marketing angles that you can come up with, different use cases, the features of the product. That way you've got this library of videos that you can just clip together in different variations with different text and post them on TikTok. Now, if you want to look at my example, the golf one I'm talking about, I actually changed the name to Aqua Greens for another video I was doing. So just look up Aqua Greens. You can find it on TikTok. You can see which videos went viral, why they went viral, and just use it as inspiration for other videos. You can also look up whatever product they have. If it's the Solo Wave, you can look up Solo Wave and see what kind of TikToks they're posting and what competitors are posting. You can do that on Mentorship as well to view all of the ads that they're running. Try to copy, replicate those, add your own little spice to it, and try to get them to go viral. Now, once they go viral, hopefully you have got your link in your bio and your landing page is looking pretty nice. People are gonna do the same thing as this Steam nail thing here, and they're gonna say, how do I get this? Where can I find it? You're gonna reply to all of those like, thanks for your interest. It's in my bio. You can check it out. Here's a discount code. So people are gonna take this organic traffic, which is completely free, by the way. They're gonna go see this video, go onto your website, and hopefully make some purchases. Now, don't stop at one viral video. If you've got this formulaic approach to getting viral videos and it's working out, great. Just keep hitting it over and over again. Since you're not paying for advertising, your margins are gonna be so much higher. And if you can just nail this organic traffic, you can make a ton of money. There are countless examples of people doing this on TikTok. Just figure out what product you want, look up accounts that are doing the same thing, and try to emulate them. It really is that easy. The thing is, it's super easy to do. It's just consistency is key here. I see this all the time. People do it for a week. They'll give up because they only got 1,000 views. And it's like, this takes time. You're running free traffic. You need to put some work into this. It does work. It just takes some time. There is a learning curve. But as you continue to work on your e-com store over and over again, you're going to get better at ad creatives, better at website design. And pretty soon, out of nowhere, you're going to be making a lot of sales. Again, consistency is key. Just do not give up. Now, after you've got some traffic coming to your website, they're making some purchases. You have to fulfill these orders. You can do it through AutoDS or whatever other supplier that you're using. And you're just going to keep the profit in between and just repeat this cycle over and over. It's quite literally as easy as it sounds. So all in all together, we've only paid for the Shopify website, which is just $1. Whatever your product cost is, let's just say it's 25 bucks. You can use helpful apps that are gonna make this process a lot easier, like Mentorship and AutoDS. So you're all in for $100, maybe less than that. It is entirely possible to start up a profitable store with a very realistic budget. Now, if you want to work with me and my team personally at Ecom Remastered, where we can build custom websites for you, custom UGC content, 4 live coaching calls a week, and the best part is we will work with you until until you hit your goals. It's lifetime access. All you have to do is book in an application spot down below. It's first come, first serve. It has to be a right fit for you and a right fit for us. So if you book in a call, hopefully we'll see you on the inside. And I know this was a quick video of how to start step by step. I did not go into crazy detail about each of these steps because they're broken out already on my channel. So if you want to learn about how to find the perfect supplier, how to build out the perfect landing page that's converting, how to create advertisements, TikTok traffic, all that stuff, it's all on my YouTube channel. Make sure to check that out after this and you will have a full store up and running, ready to roll for 2024. All right guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. Again, I'm still posting 2 videos a week here, Q4, Q1, so let's keep it rolling. Make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below on what video you want to see next. Sometimes it's kind of hard to figure out what video to post. They seem redundant talking about e-com over and over again, so give me some good ideas. All right, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys next time.